Imagine a place where the sun never shines and temperatures drop to -250 degrees Celsius. Welcome to the South Pole of the Moon, one of the most intriguing locations in our solar system. This remote point is not just a cold desert, but a cosmic laboratory full of secrets that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Recent missions have revealed that the South Pole is one of the most promising places for human and scientific exploration, with signs of frozen water that could sustain future lunar colonies. Space agencies around the world, such as NASA and ESA, are keeping an eye on this location. Each new mission brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries surrounding this fascinating piece of the moon. The importance of this exploration goes beyond scientific curiosity. It can open doors for the future of human life on other celestial bodies. If you are passionate about space and incredible discoveries, this video is for you. Join us as we dive deep into the lunar South Pole, exploring the latest discoveries, the challenges faced by scientists and astronauts, and why this region may hold the key to future space exploration. Recent discoveries at the South Pole of the Moon. Did you know that the South Pole of the Moon harbors some of the coldest and most mysterious regions in our solar system? Recent discoveries made by probes and rovers have revealed that this location is not just an arid desert, but a resource-rich environment. Research indicates the presence of frozen water in permanently shadowed craters where sunlight never reaches. This water is a crucial resource not only for sustaining future lunar missions, but also for deeper space exploration. In 2020, NASA announced the discovery of water molecules in various areas of the South Pole, using the infrared spectrometer on the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. These molecules are present in ice form, indicating that water could be extracted and used by future human missions. Additionally, this water can be converted into oxygen and hydrogen, essential for life and as rocket fuel. Another exciting discovery is the presence of regolith, the layer of lunar soil that may contain nutrients and essential elements for building habitats and other infrastructures. With advances in technology, researchers are investigating ways to use these materials in 3D printers to create sustainable structures on the moon. These discoveries not only enhance our knowledge of the South Pole, but also broaden our possibilities of establishing a lasting human presence on the moon. By understanding the composition and available resources in this region, we are one step closer to transforming the moon into a launch point for exploration of Mars and beyond. Challenges of exploration. Have you ever stopped to think about the challenges explorers face in an environment as extreme as the South Pole of the Moon? While the discoveries are promising, lunar exploration is no easy task. The conditions in this location are severe and require innovative solutions to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the missions. First, temperatures at the South Pole can drop to an impressive -250 degrees Celsius during the lunar night, which lasts about 14 Earth days. This presents a significant challenge for any equipment and human life. To address this, engineers and scientists are developing thermal insulation technologies and heating systems that will ensure the functionality of equipment and the comfort of astronauts. In addition to extreme temperatures, the presence of lunar dust is a constant concern. This dust, composed of fine and abrasive particles, can damage equipment and spacesuits, as well as affect the long-term health of astronauts. To mitigate these risks, missions are implementing cleaning and protection techniques, as well as developing more durable and less wear-prone materials. Another crucial challenge is communication. The distance from Earth and the characteristics of the lunar terrain can make data transmission difficult. Probes and rovers need advanced and redundant communication systems to ensure that information flows without interruption. Future missions are also considering creating a network of satellites in lunar orbit to facilitate communication between teams on the surface and control centers on Earth. Preparing for human exploration of the South Pole of the Moon involves rigorous testing. Simulations in controlled environments on Earth help predict how astronauts will react to these challenges. Each of these difficulties is an opportunity for innovation and overcoming as we prepare to take bold steps toward the future of space exploration. Importance of the South Pole of the Moon for the future of space exploration. Why is the south pole of the moon considered a strategic point for the future of space exploration? As we look beyond Earth, this location stands out as a true treasure, filled with resources and opportunities. One of the main reasons for the interest in the South Pole is the presence of water in the form of ice. Previous research, such as that conducted by the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter mission, has revealed deposits of ice in permanently shadowed craters where sunlight never reaches. This ice is crucial, as it can be used not only for drinking, but also as a source of oxygen and hydrogen, essential for fuel production. This means that we could potentially refuel spacecraft for future missions to Mars and beyond, making the moon a springboard for interplanetary exploration. The South Pole offers unique stability in terms of sunlight. Although temperatures are extreme, certain areas, such as the edges of craters, receive nearly constant sunlight throughout the lunar year. This makes these regions ideal for the installation of solar panels, providing constant energy for lunar bases and research laboratories. Imagine a lunar habitat where energy is abundant and access to vital resources is facilitated. Another important point is science. The South Pole is a natural laboratory for studying the history of the solar system. Samples of soil and rocks from the region can reveal information about the formation of the moon and neighboring planets, including Earth. Understanding these processes can help us answer fundamental questions about the origin of life and the evolution of celestial bodies. Exploring the South Pole of the moon is not just a scientific mission. It symbolizes humanity's ability to unite around a common goal. With various nations and private companies coming together in this quest, we are witnessing the dawn of a new era in space exploration, where collaboration and innovation are key. Now, let's explore the most recent discoveries made at the South Pole of the moon and how they are shaping our understanding of this fascinating location. Recent missions such as India's Chandrayaan-3 and NASA's Artemis are providing us with unprecedented insight into the lunar surface and its hidden secrets. One of the most exciting findings was the detection of frozen water in shadowed craters. The Chandrayaan-3 mission, for example, successfully mapped and analyzed the ice content in various regions of the South Pole, confirming the existence of water deposits that could be accessible for future crewed missions. This ice is crucial not only for life, but also as a valuable resource for fuel production, potentially transforming the moon into an operations base for further explorations. The analyses of lunar soil samples collected by previous missions revealed the presence of rare materials, such as helium-3. This isotope is considered a potential energy source for nuclear fusion reactions, which could revolutionize how we generate electricity on Earth and, perhaps, in space colonies. The search for these rare resources is attracting the interest of private companies and governments around the world. Another interesting aspect of recent discoveries is the revelation about the unique geology of the South Pole. The ancient craters and irregular terrain may offer valuable information about the moon's geological history, and even about Earth. Understanding the formation of these features can help us unravel mysteries about cosmic impacts and the evolution of the solar system. These discoveries not only intensify our interest in lunar exploration, but also remind us of the importance of collaborative research. The exchange of data and experiences among different space agencies and scientists worldwide is accelerating progress and opening new opportunities for innovations. As we explore the South Pole of the moon, we realize that we are just beginning to scratch the surface of its many wonders. Recent discoveries not only reveal the existence of water and valuable resources, but also provide us with a glimpse into a future where the moon may serve as a springboard for missions to Mars and beyond. The importance of the South Pole cannot be underestimated. It presents itself as a strategic point not only for science, but also for the colonization and exploration of space. The data collected by missions like Chandrayaan-3 and NASA's Artemis is shaping our understanding of what is necessary to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon and, eventually, on other celestial bodies. We invite you to stay updated on these exciting discoveries and the evolution of space missions. What we can learn from the South Pole of the moon is not limited to our natural satellite. It may offer answers to some of the deepest questions about life, the universe, and our place in it. If you are as excited as we are about the future of space exploration and the possibilities that the South Pole of the Moon offers us, subscribe to our channel. Join our community of explorers and space enthusiasts, and don't miss any updates on the upcoming missions and discoveries that will shape our understanding of the cosmos.